Yaran, Tiago, Pablo, we're going to Plaza Catalunya, that way. My name is Adri, I'm a learning guide at Learnlife, and I love my job. I'm from Barcelona, Spain, born and raised here in the city. I love that I get to do something meaningful, that we're constantly improving education and pushing for innovation every day. I've seen the standard system fail too many people, and I thought the best way of not failing anyone or failing the minimum amount of people was to actually do something different. I'm sure it works better than everything I've seen before, so that just keeps me going, and I think there's huge potential, and I just get a huge vibe of hope. Let's go, guys! We hardly ever get any complaints along the lines of why am I learning this is useless, compared to traditional school where this is everyday math. What's he famous for?
For discovering America. Yeah.
Well, he was not the first, there was a lot of people there, but he was the one who found from Europe a connection to America, indeed. Being a functional adult in modern society requires dealing with numbers. Requires dealing with money, requires dealing with statistics, with data, requires dealing with measurements. All those skills can be conveyed in a way where they show and you can see what is their real application.
Over there, you can't see them.
In the process, I've gotten a few friends. Please refrain from taking money from the water. My sport currently is underwater rugby. You heard that right? And I come from water polo and also general fitness. I also enjoy languages. I learned German. My French is still rusty, but still there. And Italian is slowly getting better, besides the English I use every day at Learnlife. Currently, my ikigai is to revolutionize learning. It feels very connected to a huge community, not just the learners, but the whole learning guide team, the wider team, the whole community, and everything that happens around the city, since we're going out all the time. And it's exciting.